CRRT is a type of dialysis used in critically ill patients with acute kidney injury, providing a slow... Hey there, future medical pros. Today, I'm diving into the ins and outs of continuous renal replacement therapy, or CRRT. Whether you're preparing for your exams or gearing up for hands-on practice, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. First things first, let's talk about what CRRT actually is. CRRT is a type of dialysis used in critically ill patients with acute kidney injury, providing a slow and continuous replacement of renal function. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Now let's get started with the setup. Before anything else, ensure you've got all your equipment ready. The CRRT machine, appropriate filters, and dialysate solutions. Double check for any leaks or malfunctions. Safety first, always. Next, patient preparation. Make sure the patient is stable and has a central venous catheter in place. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, it's time to prime the circuit. Priming essentially means getting rid of air bubbles and ensuring the circuit is filled with fluid. Set the CRRT machine to priming mode and let the saline solution flow through the circuit. Keep an eye out for air bubbles and make sure they're all eliminated. Remember, priming is critical to prevent air embolism. After priming, connect the patient's catheter to the CRRT circuit. Start with the arterial line and then the venous line. Secure all connections and double check for leaks. Now it's time to set your parameters. You'll need to adjust the blood flow rate, dialysate flow rate, and replacement fluid rate based on the patient's condition. Each parameter plays a crucial role, so be meticulous. Once the settings are dialed in, start the therapy. Keep a close watch on the machine and the patient's vital signs. Regular monitoring is essential to catch any issues early on. Finally, let's talk about troubleshooting. Common issues can include clotting in the circuit or alarms from the machine. Always refer to your machine's manual and follow your hospital's protocols. That wraps up our CRRT tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep honing your skills and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more medical tutorials. Catch you later.